In this video, we'll guide you about how to reset your Qubo Video Doorbell. Let's get started. Open the Qubo app using your primary account if the device is connected to the app and Wi-Fi. Tap on the live player and go to Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Remove Device. Your device is now ready to be set up again. Simply go to Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions. A manual factory reset is required if the device is offline or not connected to Wi-Fi. For Video Doorbell Pro users, step up to your device and carefully unscrew it from the top. Turn it around to locate the reset button. Once you find it, press and hold for 10 to 12 seconds to initiate the factory reset. If you are a Video Doorbell or Video Doorbell Ultra user, carefully unscrew it from the top. Then locate the reset button at the bottom and press it with the same ejector tool for 10 to 12 seconds. Upon releasing the button, you will hear a prompt.
Device is going for a factory reset.
Now wait for some time. Notice the red light blinking while you will hear another prompt.
Video doorbell is ready for setup.
Before we proceed, let's learn how to choose the best Wi-Fi network. For optimal performance, smart devices require a strong and stable network connection. Nowadays, network providers usually offers two frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. While 5 GHz offers faster speed, the 2.4 GHz band provides better range, making it ideal for smart devices. For example, your available Wi-Fi might display as ABC and ABC_5G. For other smart devices, we always recommend to connect to ABC network as it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, commonly referred to as a dual network. In cases where your Wi-Fi operates only on 2.4 GHz frequency, you may go ahead and connect to it. If you are using Video Doorbell Pro, it is compatible with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. However, we recommend using hybrid networks or 2.4 GHz for better range and connectivity. But if you are using Video Doorbell or Ultra version, it is compatible with 2.4 GHz only. Wi-Fi signals can vary due to obstacles like walls and pillars. To ensure a strong connection, it's important to test the signal strength where your device is located. You can do this by performing a speed test on your phone at the device's location. If the signal is weak, try relocating your router for better coverage. Now, coming back to the process, if you are an iOS user, enter your Wi-Fi credentials carefully. Use the password visibility eye icon to verify that the entered password is correct. If you are using an Android device, select your desired Wi-Fi network from the available connections. Now scan the QR code by placing it in front of the device. Ensure the phone screen is intact. Set the screen brightness to maximum. Switch to white theme if you are using dark. Avoid direct sunlight. If you followed all the steps correctly, you'll hear
QR code scanned, please wait.
This process may take a little longer. Please wait for about 2 minutes for it to finish. If not, double check everything and try again. And that's how the process gets completed and your Wi-Fi is updated. If the device prompts internet not available, try restarting your Wi-Fi route. If the device prompts SSID is incorrect, then verify your Wi-Fi password and username. Ensure you complete the entire process using your primary account. If you're unable to do